Welcome to our live stream.
Hello everyone, this is Yulia. Welcome to our live stream. Thanks all for joining the live stream this week.
So we kind of have a little bit internet problem, so we restart a few times. So yeah, but we are started. So I think Haoran, you could move a little bit here, so the camera could take it out. Okay, so yeah, so today, our I think new friend, his Chinese name is Haoran, but his English name is Hamilton. So now I will call Hamilton, not Haoran. Okay, so back to Hamilton. Okay.
Okay, guys. Nice to see you. Hello.
Hi, Tin Toller. Nice to see you again.
Hi, Alexandra. And the 3D HP. And the Lion.
Las Vegas. It is evening and I think you need to go to bed.
Sound and video. Yes. Hello,
Hi.
Sebastian.
Hi, 3D HP sound and video good. Okay, nice.
Hi, Philip.
Philip Tyler. Hello everyone. Thanks all for joining our live stream again. Sorry for this because I have a cold.
Yes. The weather is becoming hot, guys.
Yeah. So Hamilton, what's next?
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, today we want to sharing something interesting and some questions from our community. Okay, let's start it.
Yes.
Okay, it's didn't reset. 怎么办? Sorry about this, guys. Okay.
No more. Today we will share the beautiful model again and answer some questions about our printers. Later
Yes.
we see some more models and beautiful models.
Okay, the first part is happy printing, and part 2 is question. Let's enter the first part.
Yeah, I think there are interesting comments. So Lion said, "I can't get your code over the internet."
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. This is a kind of a Pacific Ocean, right? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Anyway, let's just get started today's community post. Oh, by the way, that all this post is picked by Hamilton. So he check out all the groups and other social media platforms. So he picked the most interesting project post or prints post or even some question post. So hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah.
Okay, thank guys to sharing in the community. So the first part I want to say thanks Andrew Baker for sharing. This is a Buzz Lightyear. It's come from the Toy Story. This movie was released in 1995. It's the first completely made by the computer, the cartoon movie. Yes. The main character is Woody and Buzz Lightyear. To be honest, I first time to see this movie when I was 10 years old. But it doesn't matter.
It is so early.
Yes. Yes. The Toy Story, the first one edition was released in 1995. Does that matter? It's a classic. Yes, a classic cartoon movie, and also getting the Oscar award.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely. Toy Story. Yeah.
Okay, Andrew Baker used the Comgru T500 to print this. It's so sick, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. So 10 years ago, should be like
In college.
how old are you? 10 years ago? Like
10 years ago.
you're 10 years old or
Yes,
10 years ago?
10 years old.
10 years old. That should be like 2010,
12 years old.
2010 more or less, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
10,
Yeah.
25 less 10.
Yeah, I think definitely this is a very interesting one. That the animation that should be this animation should be created by Pixar, right?
Yes.
Pixar.
It also picks the first cartoon movie. Yes. It's one of them achievement.
Yeah, so it's a lot life size. Yeah, as every week I'm mentioning that we have new printer coming out. So yeah, we have a 500 by 500 printer we are working on. So stay tuned. And as Hamilton said, this print is printed by T500, but we have another 500 by 500 by 500 build size printer on the way. So hope you guys will have some fun later with our new printer, which could build this life-size, stunning prints. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next part. Thanks, Max Schumer, for sharing. If I pronounce is not right, please correct me. Okay, this is also a classic character from the Sonic. Sonic is a sample of Sega. Yes. His name is Tails.
Yes, and his partner is
He's a partner of Sonic.
Sonic.
Yeah, he's a mechanic too. He like to design some science tools to help to support Sonic to defeat his opponent.
But for this one, it's from this figure is come from a game or from the movie.
Video game.
Video game.
Yes.
Yes, video game, Japanese video game.
And it's Sega.
Okay, Sega. Okay. Maybe I know Chinese, but I do not know English. Yeah, I think actually, Max Schimmer already print a lot of these kind of figures, right? These kind of prints.
Yes.
He prints these big life-size prints and he painted. It's kind of yeah. It's
He prints Max Schremer printed like this Sonic and Tails, and he printed many Pokemon characters.
Yeah.
And he will show this in the active.
Pokemon characters. Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Pikachu.
Oh, I know that. I don't know if you noticed that this lately they just I think the Nintendo just released their second generation, that the Switch.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
played the Switch.
Yeah. Do you have one?
Yeah, I have one Switch.
Yeah.
Switch 2 is also released.
Yeah. So it's more it's expensive compared to the first generation, but it should be even fun. I know that they changed the screen stuff, all improved all specs, and yeah. Anyway, let's back to next one. Yeah.
Okay. I want to see. Okay. Tails have two tails on the pic. You can see they have two tails. He can swing his tails to like a chopper in the video game. Yes. It has a skill.
It's kind of his tail could use like a weapon.
I don't know he can use it. He's a mechanic.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for next part.
Okay. And the one thing that's I think back to check out the comment section that yeah, this 500 by 500 by 500 new printer, it definitely have enclosure, but it will be default or adds on. We will see. Yeah.
Okay.
Hamilton, I think you need to read this comment. Okay.
Okay, for the price of the Switch 2, people can almost buy it straight away. To be honest, it's a two different area. Some people love the video game, maybe cannot afford a Switch 2, but they can afford one as well. But someone can afford as well. It didn't interest in the Switch 2.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, but for most of our customers, yes, the price of the Switch 2, yeah, people can almost buy a
Yes.
SV08. Yeah, definitely. I think actually I checked some videos that if you add some adds-on of the Switch 2, it will be even expensive. Yeah. But anyway, let's.
Okay.
Next one.
Okay, thanks. One cockbin bone. It's a beautiful dragon carving printing.
Oh, Chinese
Yeah.
traditional collector.
Yes, you can see it's so vivid. You can also see the detail of the printing in the monitor. Okay,
Yes.
and I can see the
See the pictures.
oh no here. Oh, it's this.
You can.
Okay.
You can change the scene. Yes.
Oh, okay. This is huge.
Yes.
293. That's 293 scale and 340 millimeter height. Wow. I just wondering what he will use for. Use for what? I don't know.
Yeah.
I have thought it can put the pen, but it can put huge things.
You
It
can
is
use
so,
it as a storage.
Yes, it is so huge. I have thought it can only pen.
Yeah. Bro, to be honest, it's so sick. Yeah, you see the detail of it.
So deep.
Yeah. Back
Yes.
to the next one. Yeah.
Have lost film.
Okay. Okay, for the next, go to next part. Okay.
Oh, Easter. Easter.
Thanks,
Okay.
Daniel the Barvikowski for sharing. Okay, my Easter Bunny's army is ready. How about yours? Okay, talking about the Easter, we also printed the Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Uh,
And even
in-
change to the hello section so we could show the customers. Change the OBS to the hello section. Yeah. So we could show the Easter
Okay.
egg. We print. Yeah.
This is the Easter egg. Easter egg 2.
Yeah.
Magic blue filament.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think I don't know. I really like this this kind of color. I don't know if you like it. It's kind of like purple,
Magic blue.
magic blue.
Yes,
Okay,
Magic purple, not this color.
it's fade color, fade.
it's kind of so I don't know. It's kind of three or two colors kind of mixed, and also with this kind of texture, it's really beautiful. Yeah. And this one you may show also on the camera here. So yeah.
Yes.
Actually, it's a hole in the bottom. Maybe you could store something and use it upside down. So I don't know this one. If this one has no.
No.
Okay.
This is
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
To be honest, the bunny is one of my favorite anime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you checked the original page? So
Yes.
customer can see more clear of the.
change the scene. Change the scene in OBS. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
We we don't put in the many robots in the festival, so not show the video, only eggs.
yeah.
You can print some character to feed them.
Yeah. And
But the event, but the festival is ending. But the festival ends.
okay.
Ended.
Yeah. So Daniel said his original post said he is his Easter Bunny's army. Okay, Bunny army is ready. How about yours? So it's like he print like 6. Yeah, I'm wondering if all of these bunnies is printed by SB08.
Where can I send my tweet?
To be shown here.
Your? Maybe you show a picture. You click the picture to see the big picture of the original post. So yeah, click the picture so could see more details.
Click here. Yes.
Yeah.
To show the details.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of filament customer you using, but it's kind of very smooth. Seems very smooth.
Yes.
Yeah.
The texture is so great.
Not white filament.
Yeah, I don't think this need any painting. Itself is already beautiful.
Yeah.
You could put anywhere, kind of very, kind of I don't know, suit the any environment. Whether you put in the class, the dining room, or the living room, it's kind of very beautiful. Okay, yeah. But lately I do not print anything. But yeah,
To be honest, you can print some character to fit in. Okay, back to the.
So okay, I think there is a customer side where I can send my prints to be shown here in mail or Facebook. Yeah, you just post in our any of our Sovol's official group. So I think Hamilton will pick your post,
I will
but
pick and choose it
yeah,
in our next weekly stream.
yeah. So we
Send a message to.
yeah, you definitely could send message to Yulia, but actually since we kind of pick this post randomly, we're not trying to kind of say whose post is most engaged or have more likes. If it's interesting enough for us,
Yes.
we will just show it here. So
Welcome everyone to show.
so everyone could just share your beautiful prints in our like Sovol official user group, Sovol SB08 group, Sovol 0 official group, and also like SB06, SB07, yeah, user group. We'll check all groups, and also you could share our I think the social media here, maybe like Instagram and X.
Tag us.
Yeah, and tag Sovol 3D. So we will definitely check, and we will definitely, we will not definitely, but we will randomly, yeah, put some here.
Maybe you tag us, we can.
Yeah.
We can check it also.
Yeah.
And Instagram will send a message to remind us.
Yeah, I just as Julia said, yeah. But anyway, thank you so much for showing the interest to join our live. So maybe you could share within this week, and Hamilton will pick maybe next week's live. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Next part. Thanks, Gary. The blank horn. Is that if I pronounce right? Pronounce is not right. Please correct me. I still see a few people asking what fun goes in what connector, so I added the fun location for each fun connection of the towhead board layout picture. Okay. Thanks, Gary. Again, tell me the specific part of our printer. Yes. I need to.
Okay, yes.
Yes, you can see it in detailed.
Yeah, you could just share this link into the comment section, so people, if anyone interested, pick the
Copy the link.
Copy the link.
Yes, copy the link and to send or.
Send on Restream's comment section. So it goes the Restream.
Here, yes.
Restream backstage. Yeah, here, yes. Yeah, you copy here. So we just
Yes, these pictures helps us to install some more accessories. When I saw the original pictures, maybe someone can understand it.
So-
Here's also another person shares the different version of the 3D printer details in the comment.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. So, actually, if you when you using printer, for I think sometimes for long time use, it will show some errors. I think the reason is it's accumulating printing log in the background. So because of that, if you reach out to our engineer, usually or after support, usually they may want you to refresh the firmware of the nozzle board adapter. So you need to know which port for a specific purpose. So this I think this picture shows everything. So I think if some of you guys think save this for future troubleshooting, I think you definitely need to check out this post and save this picture for yourself. So later, if you encounter any problems with the nozzle board adapter, or our people ask you to refresh the firmware, or maybe sometimes just change the connection of some port, so you know exactly which port to replace or change. Yeah.
Okay. Let me share the orange post to in the comment.
Yeah. So Hamilton will also share the original post. So if anyone want to save this picture for future troubleshooting, so definitely you could do it right now. Yeah.
Okay, for the next part. Okay, thanks Nadia for sharing. April 10th was my birthday. I wasn't really in the mood to celebrate, but I decided to do something for the community instead. So today I'm making the V4 toolhead available for free on Pinnables. Okay. Thanks Nadia again, and I know it's too late, but I want to say happy birthday to you, and thanks for sharing, and thank you contribution. Thanks your contribution to the groups. Yes.
Yeah. So first, congratulations to Nadir. Yeah, and thank you so much for sharing this V4 toolhead available for free. Yeah, as SV08 is I think the most mode printer on the market. So thank you for your sharing. That means that there will be another free mode here, so people could just try this awesome toolhead. I don't know it's toolhead cover or it's toolhead itself, but hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah.
Yes, there's. You can see the link here. I'm sure. Let me share the orange post.
Hamilton, first change the OBS. Change the OBS first. Change the. Oh, okay, it's already there. Okay, yeah. So you want to copy the link, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So Hamilton, we also share the original post link of Nadir. So if any of you guys not see it yet, you could check it now. Yeah. And as far as I know, Nadir already shared so many his mode projects of SV08. So if you have any interesting to mode your printer later, you may just check out his post in Sovol SV08 official user group. Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to the second part question. We connect some of our users' questions. The meaning about our new product, the Soul Zero. Thanks Holland Griffiths and JP for sharing. Okay. Okay, so we have 3 confirmed instances of this happening to people in this group. You guys might want to not do an OTO update to your machines at the moment if you don't want to wing up with a hooking machine. So I seem to have break my zero. I tried to OTA update and it never came back. The screen will display the Sovol logo with the system starting, then goes blank and the light comes on inside. And the air filter fan goes to max and stays there. I'm guessing the download update field was corrupt or something, I sent a request through the Sovol's contact page, but I guess you guys should be aware this can happen. I'm sure Sovol will get back to me quickly, but if not, I can probably try refreshing the eMMC manually. I have adapter I used to mainline my Sovol SV08. And the JP have a same question to the Holland. Okay, quick update. I sent Sovol support an email about the printer getting break from the last OTA. They sent me a reply with a zip file, asked me to load it after the printer had turned on with a screen blank. Unfortunately, this didn't work. I guess I was gonna use 0 at an event tomorrow, but that's not gonna happen now, I guess.
Yeah, so thank you for these two customers heads up, and I want to give you a little situation here. So first, let me check this. Okay, so yeah, we for this kind of problem, we already have situation. So here, I just want to give you guys a heads up here. So. This is from the Holland again, yeah, which he said that actually it's April 2022. He already received the solution from our after service team. So update on my brick printer. After refreshing the eMMC and updating it manually to the latest firmware, it still wasn't working. So I reached out to Sovol, and they got back to me last night with a hex file to manually refresh the toolhead board with an ST-Link programmer. They also offered to just replace the board if I didn't have programmer, but I do, so I give it a shot, and the printer is now back in full working order. Everything seems to be working fine so far. Yeah. So this is the latest solution. So if you have this ST-Link programmer, then you could just fix it right now with the help of our engineer. If you do not have this ST-Link programmer thing, then we will send you like nozzle board adapter and also eMMC module, assume. Definitely, my answer is not the final answer, but we definitely have the solution right now. So do not worry about it. So we got you guys covered. So, but anyway, thank you this customer to share everything out so you know what's going on here. Yeah, I think, and I also checked with the engineers why this thing happens. Why just simply update the firmware, break the printer itself. The reason is that the latest firmware we developed kind of have some bugs which not compatible with the hardware part, so it bricked. But we immediately changed the latest firmware and fix the bugs. So for now, if the customer do not update it to the latest firmware, if you update now, you will be fine. But for some customer who break their printer, do not worry. As I just said, if you got, so there are two situations here. First, if you got the ST-Link programmer, you could just fix it right now with the help of the engineer. They will send you rated files to just do it. You do not need to wait for reissue parts for weeks. You could just fix the right now with our engineer's guide. And then if you do not have, then we will send you the nozzle adapter board, another board adapter, and eMMC module, assume. So all in all, do not worry. So, and let's back to the next one. Okay.
Thanks, Lee, for sharing.
Which one?
Okay.
No.
The first one?
Yes.
Okay.
SV06 plus Ace PSU fan upgrade. Hi all, the fan on the plus Ace is too low to have in my living space. Well, I'm working and I would like to swap it for a Noctua. I found several mods and cases for the SV06 Plus, but has anyone found an alternative for the Plus Ace? I'm happy to look into it myself once I have some time. But being new to 3D printing and tinkering with electrics in general, I'd be pleased to have part 2 numbers and an SDL. I found some info for the MSU fan.
Okay. This is a post we like to share more information from Hamilton, but before that, as I found out the comment here. So this is a customer from YouTube that his name is Liberty Forever. He said he ordered 0 on March 28 and expected to ship April 10, and at the year when the will be shipped in the US. Thanks. So we have the latest bench. I think will arrive in the USA local warehouse end of this month. So assume your order will shipped out end of this month, which means maybe this week, maybe next week, but we will see. But we definitely have many benches on the ocean and so shipped to your local warehouse. But yeah, if there is, assume there is no delay. But if there is a delay because of latest situation of the tariff stuff, then maybe that you will need to wait more. But as far as I know, we will have some bench arrive end of this month to the USA local warehouse. So if you still want to know exactly when your order will ship, please continue reach out to info@sovol3d.com. Our after service people will reply you the latest situation of your order. And thank you for buying from Sovol. So back to Hamilton. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there are some solutions in the comment, and you will check, and guys can check it and get some ideas from the comment.
So we really kind of encourage you guys not only join our Facebook official group, but you could also check out our Sovol forum here. There are so many canned and professional customers here to guide you. As you all know that sometimes our after service will be slow, but why not just also post your question here? So maybe you will get even more quicker than our Sovol company's response. Yeah, we kind of slow at sometimes. So yeah, so maybe you also could share your question in community. Maybe you get some answers from different perspective, or sometimes just even quicker and accurate. So yeah. So here I just also copy this link and then we share to the comment section. Yeah, so if you have any interesting about the SV06 Plus Ace PSU fan upgrade, you could check out this this very complicated and deep post.
Okay.
The next one.
Thanks, Rinder, for sharing. What to do after changing the nose to M.2 millimeters? Hello, I have just gotten into the hobby and would like to switch to a 0.2 millimeter nose on the SV06 Ace. The ochre slicer only has a profile for 0.4 millimeters stored. I haven't been able to find any other profiles so far, but I have read that the A-axis needs to be recalibrated. Is there an instruction somewhere on how to do that, or is there a profile that you can follow?
Yeah, so Ozfei just replied, you can create your own printer profile within Orca Slicer and set the nozzle size in there. You will also need to ensure you calculate the main and the max layer heights. The minimum and max layer heights, Google will be your friend for this. Then under the stock 0.2 profile, layer height profile, you will also need to calculate lines width. I think it's 110% nozzle size. Again, Google may be better to help. The Z offset will be fine. It automatically sets this based on the nozzle itself. There is a pressure sensor where the nozzle is, and it uses the nozzle itself to touch the bed for pressure. I have switched to a CHT volcano style nozzle. Once it was fitted, it was a simple case of changing the slicer settings and hitting print. And another customer, Oliver, also shared here some insights. Welcome to the forum, and I have fun with SV06 It is SV06 no, but
Yes, we help many people to solve
Yeah.
the SV06 problems.
okay.
He is so active on in our forum.
Okay, so he said, I'm glad that Sovol decided to use Orca and not Sovol Slicer. Orca isn't perfect, but it's very good. Sorry for the German version of the pictures. I won't switch it to English though. Last point in the print section is a create printer. In the next window here, there is the point create nozzle for existing printer. Then select the printer SV06 and then desired nozzle done. Okay, so of course a new quality profile has to be created for the 0.2 millimeter nozzle. This has already been explained. Okay, so BCAS just wanted to share that someone submitted 0.2, 0.6, 0.4 nozzle profiles to the Orca Slicer Git repo. They are not in a release yet, but you can grab them here. I haven't tried them myself yet, still waiting on nozzle kit to ship, but hopefully this is helpful to others. Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing this, and thank you for the customers who create the other diameter nozzles. And also another customers said that car dog, may the force be with you. Don't be afraid to reuse your favorite process profiles. It only takes 2 minutes to go through the settings and divide all the vets and the hits by 2 points, just to rename them when you save. Why is opening comment? Well, half the height initial layer equals 4 times the effort to get a good first layer. Have snacks and a beverage handy. All right, that's correct. Oliver replied, but not required. Orca already includes many profiles. Cardog said, yes, there are lots of pre-packaged recipes, but an expert chef adds a touch of this or that. My nudge was intended to get people to learn what the settings are and what is the result of the changing them is. Different printers, different filament, different models, different nozzle materials, etc. The pre-packaged profile may yield a print that is good enough, but perhaps you want to improve from there. So thank you so much for every customers join the comment section and help. Yeah. So we also share this this post. So if you guys interested to change the two different nozzle type, and if you do not have any profile settings from from Sovol, yeah. So this is also some solutions here. Yeah. Phil Shames said, will there be a profile for 06 to 8 available for Cura 5.10? Temporarily, we will not create any profiles for Cura, as now we are put 100% of our resources on Orca Slicer. as this is most people nowadays will prefer to use. But definitely, I will feedback to company and see if we will create any profiles for Cura 5.10 in future. But as far as I know, temporarily we will not have any plan or resources to do it. Yeah.
Next.
Yeah. Next.
Okay, the next part. Okay, thanks Retrobot for sharing.
Yeah.
As well as overcoming high temperature clipper shutdown problem. My solution. Okay, iKisses helps someone else. Clipper recently began shutting down with the following rather long error message. Clipper has shut down MCU, extra MCU shutdown. Timer too close. This often indicates the host computer is overloaded. Check for the other processes. Consuming excessive CPU time, high swap usage, disk errors, overheating, unstable, and voltage are similar system problems on the lost computer. This only happened towards the end of the printing runs. After a few attempt fixes, which didn't work, I focused on the temperature issue and appear to have fixed the issue by removing the aluminum cover fan and the PSU cover from the underneath the machine, purchasing a 160 CFM fan and focusing the output directly onto the electronics area by cutting a suitably positioned hole in the worktop and mounting the fan from the underneath point upwards. This has reduced the main cell reported host MCU temperature down to an average of 40 C and 29C respectively from the 60 or 40 respectively. A big difference. I have now completed over 18 hours for continuous printing without a glitch. I hope this helps someone else who may be experiencing the same issue. Okay, thanks Retrobot for sharing. Yes, it's a solution for the overcoming high temperature clipper shutdown problem. Then from his personal view.
Yes. Thanks him for sharing the solution. If anyone interested in it, you can click the link. And and the last part is our giveaway activity. Some people can fill out the form and ask some questions. We can select the lucky one to win a free filament. I will share the link to you. Okay.
Oh, that was huge.
Maybe you should change the OBS thing. Yes. All the friend will find new things that we change the background.
Check the background.
Yes, change the background from white and from become the white from white to woodboard. If anyone have suggestions, can send messages to me on Facebook, such as beautiful models and stick some more pictures. It is welcome everyone to share this, and we will check the form. Yeah, so many people.
Yeah, so many people.
35, and wait for some people to fill out the form.
To be honest, you will see these guys in our next part, SVO 8 Max. You will see it in the SVO 8. Just waiting for it.
Yes, only today to have 3 filaments, and next live stream we can put some more beautiful models.
It's the first edition of our background, to be honest.
Yes. Okay, and I want to share active in Reddit. So we will hold active in Reddit, and comments, and just leave a comment to win our latest printers. So zero. If you are interested in it, you can follow Reddit media come grow 3D, and we will share it on our Facebook profile. Welcome to everyone to join the activity.
Okay, good.
You can refresh it. Yes, maybe it. Okay, copy it.
Here we count it.
Yes. No. Copy the link. No, click here. And change the thing. Yes, change the thing.
Okay, guys.
You can move to the top. Yes. And
we'll
we
count.
can count down.
We'll begin to count down.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
Let's begin. Okay.
10,
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
go. Okay.
Okay, it is so close.
It's so close, man.
Congratulations, AGC from YouTube.
Yes.
And the winners can send an email to. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The winners can send an email to sale@sovol3d.com and also send a message. Send a message to Yulia profile, and we will post it on our Facebook. Thanks all for joining our live stream. If you have any questions, please you can send a message to Yulia.
Yes. Okay. Thanks, guys, again for joining our today's weekly live stream.
Yes, nice to see you.
Nice to see you guys. Okay, waiting for our next stream. Next day stream. Weekly stream, yes.
Nice to see you.
Goodbye, guys. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.